ഓം ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. ഹരി ഓം. ഓം ഗണാനാം ത്വാ ഗണപതിഗും ഹവാമഹേ കവിം കവീനാം ഉപമശ്രവസ്തമം ജ്യേഷ്ഠരാജം ബ്രഹ്മണാം ബ്രഹ്മണസ്പത ആനശൃണ്വന്നോതിഭിः സീദസാദനം. ഓം ശ്രീ മഹാഗണപതയേ നമഃ. ഓം നമഃ ശിവായ ഗുരവേ സച്ചിദാനന്ദമൂർത്തയേ നിഷ്പ്രപഞ്ചായ ശാന്തായ നിരാലംബായ തേജസേ. ഓം യസ്യാത്മഭൂതസ്യ ഗുരുപ്രസാദാത് അഹം വിമുക്തോസ്മി സംസാരബന്ധാത്. സർവോപദേഷ്ടു ശിവാനന്ദമൂർത്തേഃ മൃദ്വാംഗ്രിയുഗ്മം പ്രണതോസ്മി നിത്യം. ദയാസിന്ധും ദീനബന്ധും ശാസ്ത്രാർത്ഥബോധനപട്ടും മത്കരീന്ദ്രപരം നൗമി ശ്രീചിദാനന്ദസദ്ഗുരും. ഓം പ്രാണിനാം ദുഃഖഹർത്താരു ജ്ഞാനദോ ഭുവനമുക്തയേ ശിവാനന്ദചിദാനന്ദൗ ആശ്രയേ ഗുരുസത്തമോ. ഓം ശാന്താത്മാനം പ്രണതസുലഭം സിദ്ധവിദ്യാപ്രഭാവം ഭാസ്വദ്രൂപം സുഗുണനിലയം ധ്വസ്തകർമാദിവർഗം പ്രജ്ഞാവൃദ്ധം നിജസമദൃശം താരദം ത്യാഗിവദ്യം സാക്ഷാത് ഈശം മമ ഗുരുവരം ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി. ശിവാനന്ദം നതോസ്മി. ഓം ദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തി സ്തോത്രം. വിശ്വം ദർപ്പണദൃശ്യമാനനഗരീ തുല്യം നിജാന്തർഗതം പശ്യന്നാത്മനി മായയാ ബഹിരിവോദ്ഭൂതം യഥാ നിദ്രയാ യസ്സാക്ഷാത് കുരുതേ പ്രബോധസമയേ സ്വാത്മാനമേവാദ്വയം തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ബീജസ്യന്തരിവങ്കുരോ ജഗദിദം പ്രാങ് നിർവികൽപം പുനഃ മായാകൽപ്പിതദേശകാലകലനാ വൈചിത്ര്യചിത്രീകൃതം. മായാവീവ വിജൃംഭയത്യപി മഹായോഗീവയ സ്വേച്ഛയാ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. യസ്യൈവ സ്ഫുരണം സദാത്മകം അസത്കൽപ്പാർത്ഥകം ഭാസത്തെ സാക്ഷാത് തത്വമസീതി വചസാ യോ ബോധയത്യാശ്രിതാൻ യസ്സാക്ഷാത്കരണാത് ഭവന്ന പുനരാവൃത്തിഃ ഭവാംഭോനിധൗ തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തയേ നമഃ. ശ്രീദക്ഷിണാമൂർത്തയേ. ഓം ഭദ്രം കർണേഭിः ശൃണുയാമ ദേവാः ഭദ്രം പശ്യേമാക്ഷഭിർയജത്രാः സ്ഥിരൈരംഗൈസ്തുഷ്ടുവാഗുംസस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं जदायुः. स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. ओम सुकेशा च भारद्वाजः शैभ्यश्च सत्यकामः सौर्यायणी च गार्ग्यः कौसल्यश्च आश्वलायनः भार्गवो वैदर्भिः कबन्धी कात्यायनः. ते हैते ब्रह्मपराः ब्रह्मनिष्ठाः परं ब्रह्म अन्वेषमाणाः. एष हवै तत्सर्वं वक्ष्यतीति तेह समित्पाणयो भगवन्तं पिप्पलादमुपसन्नाः. सो सुकेश सत्यकाम गार्ग्य अश्वलायन भार्गव कबन्दी, all these people brahmaparaha, those who have studied Vedas, and brahmanishtaha, and then brahmanishtaha means karmanishtaha, those who are observing all the karmas according to the Shrauta karma according to the Vedas. Then inquiring, then param brahma anveshamanaha, they want to know what is about the supreme reality. That what is that mantra? Nirvedamayan. Parishya lokani Parikshya lokani karmajitani brahmano nirvedamayan. So having become that, Brahma anveshamanaha sannim, yesha hapai tat sarvam bhakshati. This Pippalata will tell us everything. Thinking like that, Samitpanayaha Bhagavandam Pippalatam Upasannaha. They came to Pippalada. This is a Akhyaiga. I told you this is Arthavada. Swamiji the other day told there are 4 types of Vakya. I only said 3. 4th I did not tell. Vidhi, that is rule, you should do like this. Nisheda, you should not do. Arthavada, stories. Then the 4th one is called Apavada. Apavada means, Apavada does not mean complain, not that way actually. Apavada means some exceptions. Can I tell a lie? Extreme cases. Yudhishthira has told, Bhagavan himself has told to Hashvatama Hata Kunjara. And you heard that story. Yudhishthira was told to tell a lie. So Bhagavan himself has told whether I can tell a lie, whether I can do something wrong. So certain extreme conditions that, so all right, you can only do at such and such circumstances. So that is an exception they give. Exceptions. In that Rigveda also there is a mantra. In certain extraordinary cases, to save a life, to cut a joke. To cut a joke, you have to tell a lie. So in that certain conditions, you can tell a lie like that. Why a person is there. So some danger comes to him. That time he reacts. In that reaction somebody died. So Brahmahatya Adi Papa will come. So on security out of fear I did it. So you throw a stone. That stone falls on a cow and cow dies. What will you do? No, it's not a Gohatya Adi Papa will not come. I did not have that intention. So like that certain exceptions are there. That is called Apavada. So that is extraordinary circumstance it happened. That should not be taken as a regular. Regular thing. So can I skip taking bath? You should not. You have to take bath every day. Suppose if you become sick, or if it is extremely cold, old fellows, all right, one day you skip. That's not an exception. That's an exception. That's Apavada. Okay, that's how he told me. So this is Akhyaiga. Then they went and asked him to kindly enlighten us. Tan khasarishi ruvacha bhuyaye vatapasa brahmajadyena shraddhaya samvatsaram samvatsyata yathagamam prashnan prachyata yadi vijñasyamaha sarvam bhavo vakshamayiti. So when they asked this, we want to know, all right, you stay here for 1 more year. Tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya. With brahmacharya and tapasya and shraddha, you stay here for 1 more year, and then you ask me questions, then I shall let you know, if I know. So here I said, tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya, it is put there. You stay here for 1 year, afterwards I will tell you, it did not say. You stay here 1 year, tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya. So there is an importance is there, okay? Why should they? Because it comes in the later portion, it will come. So in the Shastras they say, Upakrama upasamharayoho aikyam. What you start and there and what you end should be same thing. You are asked to speak a subject. You start with that subject, end with some other subject means what will happen. So you should start a subject. So I will talk to you on bhakti. You should talk about bhakti. So this is bhakti, you should conclude. You talk about bhakti and when you say something about, then something about cricket, you close means what will happen. So that should not be there. So it will be there, I will let you know that. Okay. So after that 1 year completed, then atakabandhi katyayanaha upetya papracha bhagavan kuto hava imaha prajaha prajayanta iti. Then they asked the question, Param Brahma Anveshamanaha, they came here to inquire about the supreme reality. What is supreme reality? They did not ask. What is that supreme reality? You speak about Bhagavan. They did not ask like that. They asked how these things have happened. How? They have heard that is ultimate Bhagavan alone is there. If Bhagavan alone is there, Advaita alone is Satya, that alone, supreme reality alone is there. Purusha evedagam sarvam, they study. Purusha evedagam sarvam means katham etat sarvam katham asam, like that. Okay, how all these things have come into existence? So that is why they asked, how all these praja, all these living beings you are here, how it has happened, what is the Srishti Leela, what is the Srishti, that's the question. Then He says, Tasmai sahovaja prajakamo vai prajapatihi satapodapyata satapastapva samidinam utpadete reyim cha pranam cha ityetu me bahuta prajaha karishyati iti. So, that supreme reality, prajakamaha, he wanted to have praja. Let there be a lot of children, he thought. So, why all these things are told, you see? When a child is born, it grows up. He becomes a 20-year boy. Then what he wants? He wants to get married. He wants to get a child. This is common, everybody. So, likewise, the same thing is being told, so that you can understand. Something unknown, it is told, you will not accept. It is your experience. Same thing to Bhagavan also happened. Acha, then it is okay. So, prajakamaha vai prajapatihi. Then, so he, how to do that? He thought. Tapotapyada tapa alojani. Brahma also, in the Bhagavad Brahma also, Srishti say, 16 and 21. 16 and 21 is what? Ta and pa. Pa and ta. Ta is 16, pa is 21. Tapa, 2 times. So tapo atapyata, okay? Atapyata and tapas tapva samidina utpadite. He created 2 mithuna. Mithuna means it is samashti actually. What he is now saying is not individual srishti. We are not speaking about how you and I are born. How the creation is taking place. It is not individual. How you are born, how I am born is not the question. So he created the Mithuna, a pair. Because we see here only by all the creation takes place by pair. And what is that pair? One is the Jiva, Jiva Shakti. And the other is Anna. Anna means not the food, the matter. Matter. We have got, this is Anna. This is Anna. And what is speaking from inside? What is the life here? That is Jiva. So there is a pair here. So this pair is not only the husband and wife pair. 2 things together becomes life. Which 2 things? Prakriti and Purusha. Not a man and woman. Not that way actually. It is Prakriti and Purusha. So instead of saying Prakriti and Purusha, or instead of saying Panchabhuta and consciousness, Chit and knowledge and Panchabhautika Vastu, instead of they say Reyi and Prana. Prana is all movements, all Shakti, all energy. Reyi is Anna. Reyi and Prana. Oh, I will create Reyi and Prana. Matter and energy. That will create me all praja. Everything here is matter and energy only. Prakriti and Purusha. Prakriti Purusha mixture only we see here. So Bhaguta Karishyati iti. Then that Prakriti and Purusha only becomes everything here. Everything is Prakriti and Purusha. Whatever you see here is everything is Prakriti and Purusha. Everything is Bhagavan. Why should we say like that? Everything is Bhagavan. Vishwasmai Namaha. Why should you say like that? It is not our experience. Everything is Bhagavan. Do you feel? You don't feel. Then why should they say? So now they are telling the same thing so that you can understand. Everything is prana. If I say, you have to accept it. Everything is Bhagavan. You cannot say yes. You don't see Bhagavan. But everything is prana. You are breathing. If your breath is not there, you are not there. If my breath is not there, I am not here. So everything is prana. If I say, you will accept. Okay? So it is, actually it is, they are proving. So prana and Reyi, that's told. Then what is prana? Aditya is prana. Everything is prana. What about the Aditya? That is not prana. It is also prana. Adityo havai prana. Reideva Chandrama. So Aditya is prana and Chandrama is Reyi, Anna. So they are Anna and Atta. They are prana and Prakriti and Purusha. Reideva Tat Sarvam. So everything here, whatever we see here is Reyi. Whatever we see here is Prakriti only, Anna only. Prana you don't see. Jiva you don't see, but you know. You can infer prana is there. Okay, prana is there, you can infer. But you can very well see that this is Prakriti sitting in front of me. I am Prakriti sitting in front of you, but Prakriti cannot speak. Who speaks? That prana is there. So Aditya is prana and Chandrama is Rai. They are pairs. Because of prana, this Rai is there. If prana is not there, this Rai will go away. Okay? So, etat sarvam murtam and amurta, whatever with form, solid things are there, manifested things are there, gross things are there, all are Rai only. Whatever unmanifest, whatever subtle, that is also Rai only, all matter. Okay? Whether gross or subtle, all are there. Then, up to that we have covered. Next mantra we have covered. No. Ata adityaha udayan yat prati ata adityaha udayan yat prachim disham pravishati tena prachyan pranan rashmishu sannidhatte yat dakshinam yat pratichim yadudijim yadadho yadurdham yadantaradisho yat sarvam prakasheti tena sarvan pranan rashmishu sannidhatte. Now what is our in life? This life in this world is based on Aditya. If sun is not there, nothing will be here. Okay? If suppose sun takes a holiday and one day will go and come back, means nothing, no, we will not be here. Even 3 minutes sun is not there, everything will disappear. 3 minutes. Total, not grahana through minutes, it is not that. That is only there. It is only, it is covered like that. Okay? You keep your hand like this, you don't see. If sun is not there for 3 minutes, the world will perish. So, they say, same thing it is told here. Yad adityaha udayati. When it rises, first it fills the air with, fills the eastern dik. Prachi means eastern dik. Prachim disham pravishya. The east, first he enters into the east. Then, then all the pranas he supports. When sun comes, what happens? Everything will get up. The hen will get up, the birds will get up, the birds will start. And then you will get up. Everybody will get up. So the prana also, all the prana he fills. So eastern dik, first he fills the eastern dik, so all the prana he covers with that. Now people also go for vitamin D. Everybody walk on the sun. So when it enters the east, tena prachyan pranan rashmishu sannidhati. With his rashmi, with his kirana, with his rays, he fills every prana, every jiva, everything he prakashayati. Everything is lighted. You are sitting here, I know, because of sunlight. Okay. Sunlight only, this light also. Then, like similarly, Dakshina dik, then west, then this west, then the north, then the intermediate quarters, northeast, southeast, like that. Yadantara, all those interplaces. Yat sarvam prakashayati, all the lightens, all in all directions. Likewise, he supports all the life here. All the pranas are supported by the big prana. The big prana includes your prana also. So that is why in the first prayer is Gayatri. Tatsya vidrivarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yo na prachodayat yosavaso purushaha asavadityo brahma yosavaso purushaha sohamasmi asavadityo brahma. This Aditya is Brahma. I am Brahman. I am Brahman in that Aditya like that. So that is the worship actually. So the sun enters into all the quarters and lightens those areas and fills all the prana. All the prana shakti comes from the sun. Little sun is less now. You have covered all your body. We sit like this. If sun is not there, what will happen? Finished. So all the prana shakti is because of sun. So now prana and chandrama, Rai and prana and Rai. So another pair has been introduced. Okay, everything is pair here actually. Two. Two means what? Yugala, two means many. Okay? Two means, from two all things come. Two means many actually. Prajakamo vai prajapati midina utpadete, that midina only is being told. Prakriti and Purusha, Rayi and Prana, Prakriti and Purusha, otherwise Prakriti and Purusha, then Aditya and Chandrama, then one by one they are going to come. Okay? Then about that Aditya he says, Sayesha Vaishwanaro Vishwarupaha Prano Agnihi Udayate Tadedad Richapyuktam. So Yesha Vaishwanaraha, this Surya, the Aditya is Vaishwanaraha, he is Sarvatma. He is Sarvatma. He is the Antaratma of everybody. He is your Atma. Because he is supporting your existence here. He is supporting your existence here. Okay? Aditya only supporting our existence here. All the food is coming because of Aditya. Rain comes because of Aditya. Food comes because of Aditya. You are able to maintain the body because of Aditya. He only digests the food in the form of Aham Vaishwararo Bhutva Praninam Deham Ashritaha Pranapan Samayuktaha Pachami Annam Chaturvitam. Okay? Is right? Right? So, Yesha Vaishwanaraha. So, he is Sarvatma. Vishwarupaha. He is all forms. He is the human forms, various human forms. He is the tiger, lion, elephant, mosquito. All has got life because of sun only. So, all Sarvatma. Vishwarupaha. Pranaha. He is the prana. Agnihi. He is the Agni. Our body has got a temperature. 98.4 they say. This temperature is Agni only. Not only the Jatara Agni, here also the Agni is there. That's a temperature for the blood. And that particular temperature, blood has to flow. Whatever be the outside temperature, your inner temperature should not fall down below a certain level. That is why when a person is dead, what will happen? They will touch the feet. Oh, as prana goes, the feet will become cold. Then little they touch, okay, he is dying. So prana is Agni. Even if you breathe out, what happens? Prana is Agni. So he only Udayate. So that Agni, your temperature is that Surya Bhagavan's part and parcel of Surya Bhagavan. Don't think that you are here, you are independent. You are very much connected to that fellow. Your temperature and my temperature both comes from him. Okay? We are all sitting on the same ground. Although you may say, this is my ground. This is my boundary. Both are sitting in the same ground. So, yes, Prana Udayate. This is being told in this whatever we have told so far, this is also mentioned in the Rigveda, Richap Yuktam. The mantra, Rigveda mantra also says the same thing. So they quote. Whatever I said now is. So Gurudev said, like quote, we quote, like that they quote. This is Etat Richap Yuktam. Rigveda also, mantra is called Richap Yuktam. Vishwarupam Harinam Jata Vedasam Parayanam Jyotirvegam Tapantam Sahasra Reshmibihi Shadata Vartamanaha Pranaha Prajanam Udayatyesha Suryaha Udayati. The Surya rises up. How? He is Vishwarupaha. He is Vishwarupa. Vishwarupam, he is Vishwarupa. Previous mantra is true. Vishwarupam. He is all forms. That Surya only is all forms. Because as Chandrama, his Prakriti also is there. He is divided himself into Purusha and Prakriti. So Vishwarupam, he is Vishwarupaha. Harinam means Reshmivantam, with the Reshmis. Rays. Harinam, what meaning is given? Reshmivantam. Harinam Reshmivantam, Reshmis. Jata Vedasam means Jatam Sarvam Vetti iti Jata Vedasaha. He knows everything. Because he only makes you know. Whether he is here, how do we know? Because the sunlight falls on him. So he knows first. So Jata Vedas means, otherwise Jata Vedas means Agni. Agni means Aditya. Okay. Jata Vedas is Sunavama, Soma. That Jata Vedas is Agni only. Agni means Surya. Na tatra Suryo bhati, na Chandratarakam, na ma vidyudo bandi, kutoyam Agnihi. All same thing. So Jata Vedas, Parayanam is Ashraya. He is the support of everybody. He is the Parama Ashraya. Ashrayam. Jyotihi, Jyotihi. He is Jyoti Swarupa, Ekam. He is the only person. Tapantam. And giving light. Tapantam, Sahasra Rashmihi, Tapantam. With all thousands of rays, he is giving heat to everybody. Shadada Vartamanaha. Shadada Vartamana. What is Shadada Vartamana? Where it is, Anbeya? Anekada? Shadada Vartamana. He only appears in different forms. Prani Vedehi Shadada Vartamana. He only appears as human beings, man, woman, etc. The black, the white, the east, the west, everybody. The tiger. Shatada Vartamana. Pranaha. Prajanam Udayatyasha. And he is the Prajanam Pranaha. So he is the prana of everybody. And Udayatyasha Suryaha. This Surya is rising. Like that in the Veda mantra is there. So that only I quoted here. That's how the Rishi says. Okay? Understood actually? So, next mantra says, so now we started like that, that Supreme Reality wanted to have Srishti. He never wanted to have Srishti. You have accepted Srishti and you ask for a cause. The other day I told you, you have some understanding in your mind. So, and you want to say that is correct. So you bring some logic to that. Okay? And it is because of that, the other day I told you, why the road is like that meeting. But that is a bit parallax error, optical illusion, some reason we say. So that we get happiness. Like that, Yakameva Advitiyam Brahma, nothing is there. I am here, he is there. How do you say like that? Because you won't believe me. All right, you believe this, all right. Because that is because Bhagavan wanted to create. So he divided himself into two. So for that purpose only, because you wanted, it is told like that. You have to satisfy, otherwise you will not accept. You do not know anything, I will go. So a child is asked to take a medicine. It will not take. If you take it, I will give you a chocolate. Okay. Then they will take the medicine. Then chocolate give. So the chocolate giving is for what purpose? Just tempting, pampering the child, tempting the child, coaxing the child to make it likewise. All right, what you said is correct, you are happy, yes, I am correct. I know better than you. So that is why it is. Okay. So, Reyi and Prana, he created pairs, because you know that pairs. Reyi and Prana, then Surya and Aditya, and the Surya alone is everything. Surya alone is everything means what? The Supreme Reality alone is everything. That is the point actually. Bhagavan alone is here, nobody is here, you are not, me are not there. Gurudev's words you should remember. God speaks to God. Bhagavan was speaking to, when people said, oh, we felt as if God is speaking to us. Yes, God was speaking to gods. That you should always remember, okay? So now, next mantra. Samvatsaro vai prajapatihi tasyayane dakshinam cha uttaram cha tadyeha vai tadishtapurte kritamityupasate te chandramase me balokam abhijayante tayeva means tayeva punaravartante tasmat ete rishayah prajagamaha dakshinam pratipajyante yesha havais rihi yapitriyanaha. Now they are all studied Vedas. You have also studied some little Vedanta, the Devayana, Pitriyana, then this Uttarayana, Dakshinayana, all these things you also know. So accordingly this is being told, okay? So Samvatsaro havai prajapatihi. Now in ashram during this, on this Ekadashi day, in the satsang, there is a prayer after this, Ramanarayana. Ramanarayana. Ramnam Sankirtan. Okay. Ram Sankirtan. In that, how it starts, Huh? One by one person tell me. Shuddha Brahma Paratpararam. What next one? Kalatmaga Parameshwararam. Shuddha Brahma Paratpararam. Paratparaha, Sri Ramaha, Paratparaha, he is Shuddha Brahma. Shuddha Brahma Paratpararam. Then Kalatmaha Parameshwararam. Every day you chant, you should know, think the meaning. Kalatmagaha. He is Kalaswarupaha, time Swarupaha, and Parameshwaraha. The Sri Ramchandra is Parameshwara. And how Parameshwara? Kalaswarupa. What is that? Kalosmi Lokakshayagrat Pravartaha. Kala is Bhagavan Swarupa. Time is Bhagavan Swarupa. Kalatmaka Parameshwaram. First it is Shuddha Brahma Parat. Afterwards Ramayana Katha. Whenever I read these two lines, it will go on in my mind. Shuddha Brahma Paratpararam. Kalatmaka Parameshwararam. Afterwards I do not know. Shesha Sayana, something like that. Something like that. I don't remember, but this I remember too. So the Bhagavan Sri Ramachandra is Shuddha Brahma. And then he is Kala Swarupa. Kala means time. Kala does not mean Yama. Don't think like that. Okay? That is a drawn meaning. Kala means time. So Samvatsaro Havai Prajapatihi. That Parameshwara Ram is Samvatsara Swarupa. Kalatmaha. Samvatsaro Vai Prajapatihi. That is Samvatsara. That is also a pair. Tasya ayane dakshinam cha uttaram cha. That is also a pair. Dakshinayana and Uttarayana. Two ayanas are there. Sun moving this way and sun moving this way. Okay, one side and the other side. So, pairs are there. Dakshinam cha uttaram cha tadyeha vai tadishtapurtam kritamityupasate. Those who. Now they are coming to the Vaidika Sampradaya. So there are two ayanas. The Surya is there, he is everything. That Surya's movement is there. And that is his time Swarupaha, Samvatsara Swarupaha. It's a measurement. Samvatsara means year. Samvatsaro vai Prajapati. This time, this 1 year, that itself is Prajapati. Prajapatihi. Tasya ayane. That also divided into two. Dakshinam cha uttaram cha. Dakshinayana and Uttarayana. Now it is in two days. Uttarayana will start on 2 days. Uttarayana will start in 2 days. Now Dakshinayana is coming to an end. 14th I think it starts. So now Uttarayana and Dakshinayana. Cha uttaram cha. Tadyeha vai tadishtapurte. Ishtapurte means ishti is a karma. It's a karma. Vaidika Shrauta karma. Ishti is not a smarta karma. Ishti is a Shrauta karma. This is Vedic karma. There are 4 types of yajnas. Yaga and yajna, there are 4 types. Ishti, Kratu, Yaga and Yajna. Purta is where? Ishti, Kratu, Yaga and Yajna. Yajno vai Vishnu Yajna. These are all you might have studied. Ishtapurtam Sreshtamahu. That Purta is different. Ishti is a karma, Vaidika karma. Putra Kameshti Yaga. Putra Kameshti Ishti. Putra Kameshti is a part of that Yaga. Ishti, if you go to any Panchang, whatever Panchang, even Odia Panchang or any Panchang, you see, after the Amavasya, first day, Pratipada. First day, Pratipada, Ishti, they will write. Because of that only, the Veda Adhyayana is not there. Anadhyayana Divasa, Amavasya, Prathama, Ashtami, Navami, Chaturdashi, Paurnami, then again. So the Paurnami and Amavasya, both the Prathama, Pratipada, both the Ashtami, Navami, they can read Navami and Chaturdashi. So Pratipada, the first Pratipada, after the Amavasya and this Paurnami, they do a ritual. That is called Ishti. Ishti is a karma. I have seen all these things. And we actually, sannyasins, we do the Mundana Kriya on Paurnami. The Grihasthas, Vaidika Grihasthas, they can only do, they will do Mundana karma on Amavasya. Others should not do. Ordinary Brahmin should not do that. Only those who do Agnihotra and this Ishti, they can only do. Ordinary, those who are not doing, they should not do on Amavasya. Brahmachari should not do this. These people will do. Abhyanga, they call it as. They do the karma, this Ishti, then the Mundana, and then do the karma. So it is called Ishti. Ishti is a karma, is a part of Agnihotra. Ishti. Putrakama Ishti, like this. Okay. Putrakama, what they do, a small karma they do in the Ishti, Putrakama, in that Ishti they do during the Yajna, Ashwamedha Yajna, any other Yajna, or every Prajipada, that is Ishti. So, Tadyehavai Ishtapurte means Ishti and Purta who does, Krityam Ityupasade, this is to be done. Those who are studied the Vedas and those who do the Vaidika karma, karma anushtadaha, karma, those who do the karma anushtana, those who do the Ishti and Purta karma means other social work, what we do also, some service and other thing, Purta karma. Chandramasameva lokam abhijayante, they will go to Chandraloka, that is Pitriyana. Tayeva punaravartante, they will come back again, punaravartante. Tasmat ete rishi, therefore these rishis who are doing kamya karma and kamya karma, it is kamya karma. Rishika, praja kamaha, they want praja. What they want? They want praja. They want putra, for the sake of putra and dhana and so the urdhvaloka. For that only they do this Ishti. Why you do religious practices? We go to temple for what purpose? We go to temple to get something from God. Bhagavan, you give me a job, you give me a wife, you give me a son, give me money. Like that only Yaga Yajna, all the karma, those who do karma, Yaga Yajna, the karma, all these are kamya karma. Even our going to temple may be many times kamya only. It's not for moksha kama will not be there. All have got putra kama. Generally putra kama will be there. Because putrena jayate ihalokaha. In this world you can have, when you become old, who will support you? You want a putra. Nowadays they don't support, but otherwise they support. So putrena jayate ihalokaha. So the ichha for a putra, ichha for the wealth of this world is there. So they do praja kamaha means they desiring a son, desiring the worldly comforts. They do the ishti on regularly and they go by the southern path, Dakshinayani, they go. Rishika praja kamaha. These rishis who are doing all these ishti and purta karma, praja kamaha dakshinam pratipajyante. They go by the dakshina marga. Yesha havai reihi. They are doing upasana videhi. This is Pitriyana. So, when our desire, when there is a desire for the worldly comforts is there in the mind, means are we opting for prana or opting for rehi? If there is a small desire in the mind, I want money, I want woman, I want son, I want this, I want that. If that desire is there, what is that you are desiring? Annakankszinaha. Okay? Attakankshi is not there. Everybody is Annakankshi. Okay? And naturally you have to come back here. You are doing good work. Punya is there. Papa is not doing. All punya karma you are doing. Punya karma for what? I want a comfortable loka. The Sankalpa, what they say? Samasta Aishwarya Praptyartam. Sarva Abhishta Siddhyartam. Chintita Manoratha Abhaptyartam. Adya Mahalakshmi Pujam Karishyamaha. Or Vishwanatha Pujam Karishyamaha. What do you do? What do you say actually? All the spiritual exercises, all the bhakti, all for generally for worldly things. So we will go only by Pitriyana. It is Rei. It is Anna. Okay? That is why Nishkama Karma and all these things are told this purpose only. So the Bhagavan is Kala Swarupa. In that Kala only we are doing karma. And it is Kala is two types. Dakshinayana, Uttarayana. So Dakshinayana, Pitriyana, Uttarayana. Yeah. Uttarayana is what? Pitriyana and Devayana. So whosoever does karma, whosoever bhakti, whatever it is, upasana, if it is, the desire is there, Ishadapi kama, Ishad kama, manasi vartate chetu, then you will get that only. You asked that only, how can I give you the other? Bhagavan asked me, what do you want? I want this, acha, that you take it. Bhagavan, I wanted you. You never told me, you told me the other one only, that's why I gave the other one. So, tasmat ete rishyeha prajakamaha dakshinam paribhajante. Yeshaha vai reihi pitriyanaha. Then what is Uttarayana? Atha Uttarena tapasa brahmajadyena shraddhaya vidyaya atmanam anvishyad adityam abhijayante. Atha Uttarena, those who do Uttarayana marga. What is that? Tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya vidyaya atmanam anvishya. So with tapasya, tapa alochani, what is this? Why I am here? What is this? Whether these comforts will make me happy? Ultimate happiness is possible. Brahmacharyena shraddhaya vidyaya upasana sahitam atmanam anvishya. Whosoever inquire the Atma, Adityam abhijayante, they will have victory over Aditya. Etad vai prananam ayatanam, etad amrutam, abhayam, etad parayanam, etasmat na punaravartante, ityesha nirodha, tadesha shlokaha. So Uttarayana, Uttarayana, what is Uttarayana? That's why, do more ratris, that shloka and day. Agni Jyotiraka Shukla. Then the next shloka says Uttarayana, then you go here and this is the Uttarayana. What is the sadhana? Ata Uttarayana tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya vidyaya atmanam anvishya. Atmanam anvishya, so you get the meaning. Are you getting the meaning? Tapasa with tapasya, brahmacharyena with brahmacharya, shraddhaya with shraddha, vidyaya upasana, atmanam anvishya. Those who are inquiring about the Atma, that Bhagavan, okay? And we see Adityam abhijayante, they get the Aditya. They capture the Aditya. Aditya means Bhagavan. Abhijayante. Etad vai prananam ayatanam. This is the abode of prana. Rei and prana, this is abode of prana. Etad amrutam. This is the ultimate amrutam, nectar. Abhayam. It is the abhayasthana. Yetate parayanam. This is the ultimate prapyasthana. Yetasmati, having reached there, na punaravartande, then you won't come back. Otherwise, you are a good person. It's not a bad person. They are all good people only. Those who have desires in the mind, they are not bad people. If it is according to dharma, it is perfectly okay. Bhagavan says, dharma viduttho bhuteshu kamospi vardarshavaha. So all the kamas which are not against dharma is perfectly okay. But if your aim is a little more bigger, then the sadhana should be tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya vidyaya atmanam anvishya. That is why they told in the beginning, tapasa brahmacharyena vidyaya shraddhaya samvatsaram samvatsyata. Okay? Bhuyayeva tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya samvatsaram samvatsyata. He gives a training. You do little, give a training 1 year you do, then I tell you, you will understand. Otherwise you will not understand. So tapasa brahmacharyena shraddhaya vidyaya atmanam anvishya adityam abhijayante. Etad vai prananam ayatanam. This is the Ayatanam. This is the abode of prana. Yetad amritam. This is the ultimate immortality. Abhayam. This is abhayasthana. Dvitiyad vai bhayam bhavati. Yetad abhayam. Okay. Yetad parayanam. This is the ultimate abode. Etasmati na punaravartande. Afterwards, no coming back. This we have to do. If we don't do this, punaravarti will be there. Maybe a good punaravarti. Bhagavan also says, Sutinam, first how is that? How it starts? Yoga Brashto Vijayate. Shrine, not Shrine. Sutinam Srimatam Gehe Yoga Brashto Vijayate. Kasyate. Before that. Nahi Kalyanaka Durgadim Gachati. Sushinam Srimatam Gehe Yoga Brashto Vijayate. So it is all Kalyanaka. Ishtaput Kamya Karma also is Kalyanaka. So Shuchinam Srimatam Gehe Yoga Brashtaha Sanni Abhijayate. Again you have to come back here. So this is Tapasa Brahmacharya Shraddhaya Vidyaya Atmanam Vishya Adityam Abhijayante. So that is why when we say, make it into bhakti also, what we say? Devotion to the God to the exclusion of all other things. Sa na kamayamana nirodha rupatvad. The Bhakti Sutra, sa na kamayamana. That bhakti doesn't have any kama. Kama does not mean kama, stri kama, tathana. Kama means any agra. Sa na kamayamana. There won't be any kama because nirodha rupatvad, sannyasa rupatvad. Sa na kamayamana nirodha rupatvad. Narada Bhakti Sutra. So, punaravartnande ityesha. Nirodha tadesha shlokaha. There, that road, Pitriyana is blocked for them. You can go only this way. Okay? So, we will go in that way. Hari Om Tat Om. Vishwam darpana disyamana nagari tulyam nijantargatam pashyannatmani mayaya bhagiri bhutam yatha nidriya yas sakshat kurute prabodha samaye swatmanameva advayam tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Bijasya Antarivanguro Jagadidam Prang Nirvikalpam Punaha Maya Kalpita Deshakala Kalana Vaichitra Chitri Kritam Maya Viva Vijrambayatyapi Mahayogi Vayaswechaya Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Yasyaiva Spuranam Sadatmagam Asatkalpartakam Bhasate Sakshat Tattvamasi Vedavachasa Yo Bodhayatyashritan Yat Sakshat Karanat Bhavenna Punaravartihi Bhavambholidau Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye namayidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye Om Bhadram Karne Vishruniyama Deva Bhadram Pashye Makshabhiryajatra Sthirairangai Stuštuvagum Sattanubihi Vyashema Devakitam Jadayuhu Swasti na Indro Vruddhashravaha Swasti na Pusha Vishwavedaha Swasti na Starkshyo Arishtanemihi Swasti no Brihaspadav Dadatu Om Shanti 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 Hari Om